In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Flash Fill in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where your data is stored. Flash Fill is a built-in Excel feature that automatically fills in data when it recognizes a pattern in what you start typing. It's especially helpful when you want to split names, combine text, reformat information, or clean up data quickly without writing formulas. For this example, imagine you have a column with full names and you want to extract only the first names into a new column. In one column, you might have full names like John Smith and Mary Jones. In the next column, you want Excel to return just John and Mary. Click into the first cell of the new column where you want the first name to appear. Then type the first result manually. So if the full name is John Smith, you would type John. This first entry is important because it shows Excel the pattern you want it to follow. Next, move down to the cell directly below and begin typing the next expected result. For example, if the next full name is Mary Jones, start typing Mary. As you do this, Excel may recognize the pattern and display a preview of the remaining results for the rest of the column. This preview is Flash Fill, suggesting the completed values based on the example you provided. If Excel shows the correct preview, press Enter to accept it. Excel will then automatically fill the rest of the cells in that column using the same pattern. If the preview doesn't appear right away, you can still trigger Flash Fill manually by going to the Data tab and selecting Flash Fill. That tells Excel to analyze your example and complete the rest for you. This method is useful because it saves time and avoids the need for more complicated formulas, especially when the task is based on a clear and consistent text pattern. The key thing to remember is that Flash Fill works best when your source data follows a predictable format. If the entries are inconsistent, the results may need to be checked. Once the fill is complete, take a moment to quickly review the output and make sure Excel captured the pattern correctly. That's all it takes to use Flash Fill in Excel. It's a simple feature, but it can make everyday data clean up much faster and easier.